Hi, here's how to replace the chain on the Black Decker 40 volt chainsaw. But more importantly, what is the chain that you have to choose to replace yours on this particular chainsaw? It's this one, Oregon R45. That's the number that you have to buy. It's 3/8 inch and this one here 0.043 inches. That's supposed to be this one that goes on this chainsaw. So let's go. First of all, I remove the chain from the chainsaw. So let's go. Turn this until it's removed. Okay, you can see it's very dirty. It's been used quite a lot. The chain has been destroyed. I really should wear gloves to make this, so I have my gloves on since it's all like tiny razor blades. There, just take it off like this. Okay, go. Okay, so simple as that to remove the chain. Now let's open the Oregon package. With the scissors. So you have to put it on the right side so you don't cut backwards. So the chain is supposed to go on this side because it cuts, turns that way. So and can you see it here? It shows all the dents, the little hooks here. They show the side, which way. Anyway. It's better to clean this one out too. Let's do this. You can help yourself with a screwdriver here to get into those cracks working properly. So, oh yeah. Let's just put it back on. You'll have to wiggle it something. Okay. Just screw it in until it's almost tight. Just unscrew it a little. Okay, you see the chain is kind of slack. Just keep it. Take the front of the blade, take it up like this, and just tighten the. Okay, and now you tighten this, and that's a perfect fit. All right, let's try it out. My battery is full. Yeah, ready to cut some more wood. Thank you. Please just subscribe and to my channel. Follow me, and if you have any question or anything, I always answer to everyone. Okay, thank you. Bye.